Hello everyone, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located on the West End. Today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz E350, a luxury midsize vehicle in all-wheel drive. This one comes in polar white on black leather and has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Under the hood you're going to get a 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 302 horsepower paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Up front you have the signature Mercedes grille with LED headlamps and washers. Heading into the vehicle with keyless entry, the door panel has your power windows, mirrors, door locks, and memory seat settings, along with power adjustable seat options. To the left of the steering wheel is your headlamp buttons, along with emergency park brake, and inside the front 10-way power heated leather-wrapped bucket seats offer comfort and style. The leather-wrapped steering wheel has all the voice recognition, audio, and phone options, along with your paddle shifters. Up top you have a digital gauge cluster, and in the center you have an infotainment center with navigation, audio, phone, video, and car settings. Below are your manual controls along with your climate options, a dial to navigate through the infotainment center, dual cup holders, center console with storage and charging ports, and above your interior lighting with all your power controls for tilt and slide panoramic moonroof. The back seats are also wrapped in leather with your climate vents, and in between passengers there's a sliding door with dual cup holders along with a little storage cubby. Heading to the trunk, you can use your key fob, or there's a button just above the license plate, and inside you will find plenty of room for any luggage, groceries, or sports equipment, and also comes with a first aid kit, and a manual pull handle to close the trunk. So head on down to Lexus of Edmonton and test drive it for yourself. Let us find the vehicle best suited for you.